lined up 2 tracks. We just use these little blocks that are the Jenga-like miniature game at the dollar store, and we each have 2 ping pong balls. The object of the game is to be the first one to blow your ball from the start to the finish, but the trick is it can't touch the sides. So if it touches the sides once, you have to start over and start all the way from the beginning again, huh? All right, and we have found, by the way, that doing it super fast, it's bound to touch. So we're gonna take slow little breaths to try and do it, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, on your mark, get set, blow. Oh, touch the side.
Oh, I touched the side, but it
Oh, touch the side. Oh, I thought it was gonna go. Oh no!
Can you like bear people fast?
You want to try blowing it super fast?
Yeah.
Okay, you can try blowing it super fast. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I touched.
Wait. Hey. Guys, I know who it is.
Oh, I did it! I totally did it! All right, where's my high five? Best out of 3. Should we keep playing? Awesome.
I'm gonna go it fast, just.
Oh, I saw it touch the side.
Get it so early.
Oh, you got pretty far on that one.
I know the big tactic.
You do? What is it?
You go from the other side. You go
Oh.
and stop. You wanna stop? Oh, so close. I touched the last block. Oh!
So close! Oh, I did it! Alright, so I am the big winner. You want to win? We can keep trying so you can win too. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.